Hello, welcome back to Breakout Trading. On Sundays, we're going to be doing a watch list for the week for you guys, just to show you kind of what we think where the SPY's at, how it performed the week prior, and just some stocks that we're going to be looking at closely and planning trades on for the week ahead of us. So let's get right into it. We are on the weekly chart of the SPY. Beautiful week. Look at that candle. That is a powerful candle retesting the previous highs and then just really bunch of buying coming in after that. So it is on a tear right now following this recent trend line. This week, let's go to the daily chart. This week is going to be interesting, no doubt. There's a lot of people right now that are definitely nervous about the run that has happened, and they're a little scared that it might come to an end. But we're going to stay with it until it does come to an end and have all of our risk in place, but definitely not be scared to keep going long until this thing eventually retests or changes its trend. So for now, I could see us going higher, or I could see us coming back and retesting this trend line. And if that happens, I'm a buyer. So this is going to be a very interesting week. Maybe a little inside candle. Maybe we retest, we come down to maybe 345 and go higher. Maybe it's just a full-on inside candle. Bad sign would be breaking down and closing below the start of last week and below this trend line. That would be a very bearish sign. So we got a crazy week ahead of us, and I'm excited for it. So let's get into some ones that we're watching. We are watching Shake Shack. Why wouldn't you be watching Shake Shack? It broke out beautifully, and really no upper wick here, so no sellers really trying to come in yet. So, we're pretty much clear until 77.19, maybe if we're lucky enough, we get a pullback to 63.80 and then go higher. But yeah, I would definitely be a buyer at 63.84, and don't be scared to get in this and try and ride it to 77. So definitely be watching that one. We got Roku with another beautiful breakout close on the daily chart. If this retest, I'm 100% buying. Even on the open on Monday, I might buy into this, but definitely will enter a swing trade above here, 176.28. So we've seen some selling pressure here and now here on it. So that's definitely going to be an important level to break. But look at this thing overall. Let's go to a longer out time frame. Just complete bullish trend on it, and this is the highest weekly close or monthly close coming in. So this thing could have another leg up. It could go. 220 is reasonable to think that Roku could get if it has some strong closes above this 177. Sky's the limit. So really keep an eye on that. If we get a close above 177, get in on a swing trade. Just do it. Set your stop and hope it runs. Okay, so next up we got Starbucks. Same sort of thing, closing above previous resistance strongly. So now, it really just has room to go to 90.50. So another great buying opportunity there. And this one, the only reason this one is on my watch list is because it's ever since this stock came onto the market, it has never had a red September. I don't know how long Boeing has been on the market for, but okay, so 1968. So 50 2 years, if my math is correct. This has been on the market and has not had one red September. So, I mean, if we look at this on the monthly, I mean, this thing looks like it's eventually going to come back up to here, right? You would think. You would think, for sure. And guess what? Tuesday, September. So, I'll be watching it, no doubt. If we can get some kind of bullish break above here, a close above there, then I'm definitely going to get in. Or I might try and bottom seek and hope it touches there. Maybe the 800th time is the charm and Boeing finally sees some buyers step in September. We shall see. So next up we got Square. Interesting one, seeing some struggle at 158.80. Got a lot of selling coming in at that level, so if we could open higher than that, I will be licking my lips, getting in bullish, and riding it till it looks like it's tired. Next up, we got Nike. Nike, same kind of deal as Square. Pressure is building. Maybe we see a couple more days of coiling. This one I'm not biased against. I mean, if it does break down, I'm probably not going to try and get it because it has a lot of areas it could definitely bounce off. Definitely bounce off of 105 or 107. So I won't play it to the bear side. But if we break above 112, 90, 113, I will ride that one till it is tired as well. Then lastly, AMD. Same old story as Square and Nike. Above 87.40 area, ride it till it's tired, pretty much. Yeah, so that is the stock watch list this week. We'll see how this week plays out. Very excited to see how the SPY does after this beautiful candle. Will we continue running up? Will we take a little pause? Will we break down? Who knows? But we will be ready for it. So, see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Any tickers you want us to review in our next video, please let us know and we will get to it. Thank you guys for watching.